friends, welcome to Airdrop Spot. So it's the week 2 of Linea Voyage and we are going to get started by visiting Interact and looking at the task instructions. So you would have to watch this video in full screen so that you can see the letterings on your screen very well. It is kind of tiny here. So this is the core task. There are also bonus tasks, but in this video I'll be doing only the core task. And the core task is to bridge $25 worth of any ETH token to Linea using any of Linea's partner bridge. Okay. Linea partner bridge that we are going to be using today is Arbitrum Finance. Arbitrum Finance also have their own airdrop, so the more consistently you use the platform, the more you position yourself to receive a big airdrop reward. I will open up my browser now and then I'm going to be visiting Arbitrum.finance. Now you are going to connect your wallet to Arbitrum Finance and then make sure that on your MetaMask you are switched on to the Linea network. Now here you are going to choose your sender chain and then you are going to choose whichever chain that you want to bridge from. As for me, I'll be bridging from ZK Sync, so I'll be choosing ZK Sync Era as my sender chain. And on the receiver chain, you are going to be choosing Linea because that is what we want to bridge into. And then you are going to indicate the amount of ZK Sync Era in my own case that you want to bridge to Linea. So after entering your amount, you are going to tap on send. Normally, Arbitrum Finance takes something around $2. I don't know if it is less than $2 or a little over $2 for every bridging transactions that you do, although they are the cheapest, they are known to be the cheapest bridge at the moment. But in the case of bridging to Linea, Arbitrum Finance is currently doing a free bridging transaction, which means they are not going to be deducting that $2. And the only thing you need to pay is your gas fee. Normally they would have deducted $2 and then your gas fee, but in this case they are only deducting your gas fee, and in my case it's just 19 cents that I'll be spending to bridge into Linea. And then the transaction was done almost instantly. It took only about 1 minute to complete the bridging transaction. Now the bridging is completed, so I will go back to Interact to verify my transaction. So I am back on Interact and then I'm going to tap on the core task to begin the verification process. So I'll tap on start. I'll tap on next, continue tapping on next. So here are a list of bridge that you can use to complete the Linea task, and then if you see, the first on the list is Arbitrum Finance that we just used. So I'm going to tap on Arbitrum Finance because that is what I used. So tap on it. Then tap on continue. So if you have not bridged before, you can tap on bridge now, but since we have already bridged, I'm going to tap on start verification. Check the checkbox at the bottom right here, check it and then tap on proceed. Make sure that you have completed your task before starting the verification so that you don't get yourself disqualified. So normally the verification takes up to 1 hour. So I'm going to be leaving this page open. I'll go about other things and then come back in the next 1 hour to see if it has been verified. So this is 1 hour later, I am back. And then I'm going to be refreshing the website. So the task has been verified. You can see the letters in green here. That means I have completed it. And then it is telling me to claim my reward of 100 XP. So you can see, please claim your reward. I'm going to claim the XP now. XP successfully claimed. Now, if you have more funds that you can play around with, you can decide to go on with the bonus task. I'm sorry, I don't have that kind of funds at the moment, so I can only do the core task, and that will be the end of today's video. The bonus task, if you have, you can bridge $25 5 times with another bridge aside Orbital Finance that we used. And then if you have up to $500, you can also bridge. If you have up to $1,000, you can bridge. Each transaction gives you a different amount of XP. So if you have funds that you can use, you can go about that. I won't be doing that in this video, and this will be the end of today's video. If you have any questions on this week's task or any other tutorial that we have done on this channel before, make sure that you drop me a comment. And if you have found value in any of my contents before, make sure you give me a like on this video and also subscribe so you don't miss out on the next tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.